How to log out of your Bumble account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log out of your Bumble account. So to do that, first of all, open up the Bumble app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Bumble account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to tap on your profile icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Now once you're on your profile, simply tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. And then once you're on the settings page, simply scroll all the way down until you see the option log out. So in order to log out of your account, simply tap on the option log out. And then if you want, you can enable biometrics login, but if you don't, simply tap on the option not now and then simply tap on the option log out. And there you have it. That is basically how you log out of Bumble. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.